We're gonna make this right now. Everybody is talking about matcha. Have you considered trying Moringa Latte? Moringa is awesome for pregnancy, not in the first trimester though. Second trimester and third trimester, you can have Moringa to enjoy. Matcha is good, however, you have not tried Moringa Latte. I am going to share with you this beautiful Moringa Latte. This takes some few minutes of the day. Coffee, matcha, all takes up a lot of space. You only need this, literally, something to make a latte. And if you want to be even extra fancy, you need a frother. That's all. We're gonna go ahead and make it. First thing I'm gonna do is to get my strainer and of course my moringa and spirulina. This is my moringa. It's kind of like coarsey. It's not very powdery. I have to strain it with a fine strainer. So I will use 1 heaping teaspoon of moringa and I'll add it in. And I'm going to use half a teaspoon of the spirulina. If you want to make a bigger serving, you can add more. I have warmed up some water and I'm going to add it to this. Just a tiny bit. As you can see, it has started to strain already. And I'm going to mix it in. You also don't want to make the water too hot. It looks like I have made my water a little hot. It doesn't affect anything. It only affects the temperature of the latte. If you don't have enough ice, that can make the ice that you have melt too quickly. I have this as the base, just like you would do with matcha. Your blood volume increases during pregnancy to up to 50%. So you want to do a lot more to boost up your iron. All of the iron in here, even though we have vitamin C here, it helps to absorb the iron a lot more in our body. But molasses also have plant iron that we want to have a whole bunch in our body. In the first trimester, it's not a lot of iron requirement and it's not a lot of iron that you would need, because Allah has made it that if you are experiencing any pregnancy discomfort and you're not able to eat, you're not able to nourish or hydrate, you should be good if preconceptionally you have already been doing that. What I'm going to do next is add my molasses. I'll add the molasses in here. I like to add condensed milk because it adds some creaminess to it, but this is totally optional. You can omit this. I'll leave a little bit and I'll show you what I'm going to use the rest later. I'll froth my milk again just to get everything mixed together. I like the change of color. It looks so beautiful and creamy. So now the fun part. I'm going to add my molasses in the glass, okay? Just to garnish a bit, okay? And then I will do the same for the condensed milk. This is so fun. All right, good. So what I'll do next is to add my ice. I'm going to add my milk. Just like this, if it looks beautiful and tastes awesome. But we are not making this, right? We are making Moringa Latte. So we must add that to it. So I'm going to add. I love this combination. It is so soothing. It is so refreshing. It is full of nutrients that your body recognizes, your body would love, and your baby will love as well. When you are using moringa during pregnancy, please consult your doctor, especially if you are in your first trimester. If you are trying to be pregnant, you also consult and find out when to stop taking moringa, because moringa powder, especially if you are buying it from sources that are not organic, wholesome ingredients, is questionable, right? So you want to get your moringa from a very reputable source, and you are also not overdoing it. So I'm going to cover this up, okay? And I'm going to add my straw, give it a mix. This is awesome. This is beautiful. I'm going to make you a believer to make this Moringa Latte. Beautiful. Bismillah. Mashallah. So beautiful. Give this Moringa Latte a try. Moringa has a whole ton of health benefit as well as refreshing you, giving you all the energy. Even though matcha has a little bit of caffeine in it, Moringa doesn't. It's helpful for your pregnancy. You only need 200 milligrams of caffeine for the day when you're pregnant. So if you are somebody who likes to drink a whole lot of beverages, especially if you're in the second trimester, very helpful to nourish you and nourish the baby, as well as giving you some vital nutrients that your body needs. Here.